SEO free courses and some paid courses. Lots of us want to learn SEO because SEO is dominating the search engine world, and without SEO, a website cannot rank in search engines. So today I was reading search engine journal blogs, and they have come up with some SEO free courses and some paid courses out there. So if you look at these courses, you might learn SEO and might can easily make money from freelancing marketplaces, and you can also sell your own services online. So let's have a look at the screen, some free SEO courses and some paid SEO courses which can be bought without money and which can be bought by paying money too. So let's get into the screen. So here we go. This is the place, search engine journal. This is the website Khalid Farhan Bhai told us to read at almost daily or almost weekly. So I was just surfing this website and this came up, 10-minute read, 42k visit December 27. It has been posted. So this is the page, best SEO courses online, free and paid option, written by Lauren Baker, SEJ staff, and this post have been shared 166 numbers and 42k visits. So let's have a look. So free SEO courses, SEO certification courses, HubSpot. A marketing and sales software developer, HubSpot always thinks of marketers' needs, and that includes SEO certification course. If we look at the course, HubSpot Academy, SEO certification course, free certification course. Search engine optimization is the process of improving your website to increase visibility on popular search engines as Google and Bing. Who is this for? This is for the marketers, content creators, anyone looking to skill up on SEO. What you will learn: evaluate and improve your website's SEO, build backlinks to your website at scale of increase your website visibility, use insights from keyword research and reporting to improve your search performance. Course details: you will get 6 lessons, 26 videos, 5 quizzes and 3.51 hours. So this is the module. You can see SEO basics, 4 videos, on page and technical SEO, keyword research for SEO, link building for SEO, optimizing your website and SEO reporting. 6 lessons you will learn. So this is a free course, and how to enroll this course: just continue with Google, 100% free, no credit card needed. Just use your Google or post your first name, last name and email here. So let's have a look at the second course, SEO training course, learn how to get organic traffic from search, Href. This course is made by Href. SEO training course, learn how to get organic traffic. So who is this course for? SEO beginners, small business owners, marketing team leaders. You will get 14 lessons, 2 hour total length 2 hours, and what you will learn, they are talking about the fundamentals of what search engine is and how it works, why SEO is important, how to do keyword research, how to optimize web pages for search engines, beginner friendly link building strategies. So this is the module: introduction, keyword research, on page SEO, link building, the basics of technical SEO. So this full course will help you to become a SEO expert according to Href. Then another course is made by Yoast. You know Yoast. This is Yoast SEO for everyone, SEO for beginners. Find out what SEO is, what Google does. This is the module. Let's have a look at. You can easily click here and start your course now. So this is free SEO course, and now we will see the paid courses. Let's have a look at. There are also some free courses. I will put this website link in the YouTube video description so that you can easily browse this website. And paid SEO courses, and they said that free is always a great thing, but if you are looking for something little more serious and focused, it might be worth your time to invest in a paid course. Here are some to the best ones. Search engine optimization training course, Simply Learn. This is the best website, one of the best websites, Simply Learn. Let's have a look. This is the course, SEO certification course overview. This is the key features. This will take almost $300 lifetime access to high quality self-paced e-learning content, 25 hands-on project, 3 simulation test papers, 24/7 learner assistance. You will get 24/7 assistance. So this is the course module. I will also share this link. So then number 2, technical SEO certification. Moz is the best website tool, one of the best tool. Technical SEO certification. Learn technical SEO comprehensively, get certified with this intensive 5-part course and exam series. This is the 5-part of SEO. They have divided into 5 parts, and this will take $395. Technical SEO certification part 1, technical part 2, technical 3, technical 4 and technical 5. So these are the 5 parts of technical SEO if you learn from SEO Moz. And ClickMinded is a website they are offering too. And let's have a look at SE ranking. We will look after this website. SEO basics, enroll, 8 modules, 41 lessons, 6 hours. This is the course structure. Let's have a look at. And if we click enroll and continue with SE ranking, maybe they will charge us later. Oh, they are talking about it anyways. I will not register here. I will check another one. Let's have a look at this. The depth SEO course. It will take $299 and $399. Market Motives Advanced SEO Training Course offers a complete 360-degree learning in all search engine optimization concepts. So this is another SEO course you can have a look at, and this is the module. Course introduction, lesson 1 SEO introduction, lesson 2 how search engine works, lesson 3 types of SEO, lesson 4 keyword research and competitive intelligence. So these are the module. I will also share you the link. This is the frequently asked questions. Let's have a look at one question. Whom should I contact to learn more about the SEO training program? You can reach out to us on the live chat link by using the form on the right side. So we have now seen some free courses and some paid SEO courses, and I will also share with you to some SEO tips, and I will also create my own SEO course after a few days, and will give you a good discount so that you can easily learn. And I will also add freelancing marketplace to my course. And thank you for watching my video.